Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play local It Takes Two. First, ensure you have two controllers connected to your gaming system. Once your controllers are ready, simply launch the It Takes Two game from your console's library. From the main menu, you'll see an option to play local. Select this to begin your cooperative adventure with a friend or family member right beside you. It's a straightforward process to get started. After selecting local play, you and your partner will be prompted to choose your characters. It Takes Two features two distinct protagonists, Cody and May, each with unique abilities. Each player should pick one character. Once both players have made their selections, confirm them to move forward. The game will then seamlessly load the first chapter, immersing you into its whimsical world and story. It Takes Two is built entirely around cooperative gameplay, meaning you and your partner must work together to overcome every obstacle. You'll encounter numerous puzzles and challenges that require both characters' unique skills to solve. Effective communication is key. Talk to each other about strategies and timing. Embrace the collaborative spirit and enjoy the innovative ways the game encourages two players to interact and progress through its imaginative levels. Don't worry about manually saving your game. It Takes Two features an automatic save system. Your progress is regularly saved at key points throughout your adventure, so you won't lose any significant playtime. If you need to take a break, simply exit the game. When you're ready to jump back in, just select Continue from the main menu, and you'll pick up exactly where you and your partner left off, ready for more fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.